if you're experiencing frame stuttering in Elden Ring, there are several adjustments you can make to improve performance. Follow these steps to help reduce stuttering and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the in-game graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality. Reducing these settings can significantly improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can improve performance and stability. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary background applications that may be using system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other software that could interfere with game performance. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them, which can help resolve performance issues. Step 5. Adjust power settings. Change your computer's power settings to high performance mode. This setting ensures that your system is prioritizing performance over energy savings, which can help reduce stuttering during gameplay. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stability while playing Elden Ring. Enjoy your gaming experience.